Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I would like to present you my Instagram bot created with Python. So let's get started. To begin, we need to load an Anaconda environment with all the libraries used. Then we open the console, go to the appropriate path and open the app file as shown in the video. Now we go to the address shown in the console in the browser and see the user interface. Once in the interface, the username and password must be specified, as well as the names of the hashtags from which posts are to be edited. In this video, only one hashtag is selected, but there can be as many as you want. Then the functions are selected and we press start. Now comes the automation. In this example, we have chosen that the bot comments on posts, marks them with like and follows the creators. Then it should write a direct message to the followed persons. The automation automatically logs the user into the platform and navigates to the desired hashtag. He generates all the links to the current posts and then starts commenting and pressing like after a certain probability to best emulate the natural behavior. It also follows each creator of the posts unless they are from two creators, in which case the corresponding post is skipped. The names of the creators are stored incidentally, in a list, which are saved after the process in a file with the current date and time as the title. If all posts have been processed and commented with different comments, the program accesses the list with the names of the creators and writes a direct message to each of them. These messages are also all different but kept quite neutral. If desired, the texts of the direct messages and comments, as well as the probabilities of pressing like and commenting can be customized. If all the followed creators have been written to, the program checks the file with the names of the followed creators in the folder of the file if the files are older than 3 days. If this is the case, the program automatically unfollows all the creators in the list and then deletes the file. With the help of automation, I was able to generate 47 new followers in the last 2 days and quadruple the number of visitors to my site. I think that's a good result. Thanks for watching. Want to use the bot yourself or have ideas for improvement? Feel free to write them in the comments and like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks a lot. And again, lastly, have a great day.